In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you install or download Mortal Kombat 1 for PC. In order to do it so, you have to follow the steps. First thing first, you simply want to open up Steam. So we'll be downloading it through Steam. So make sure that you already have Steam launcher on your device. After which you log into your account, and when you are logged in, what next you want to do is here, you simply want to come to store from the left hand side, and on the search box you want to type in Mortal Kombat 1. So when you locate it, so you want to click that out, double click on it, and you'll be taken to their info section. Here you could go and read about all of these terms and conditions. Now if you want to buy it out or if you want to download it, you want to click on add to your wish list, or you could simply go ahead and scroll down and click on add to cart. Now click on add to cart and once again confirm and click on view my cart in order to confirm your order history. Now it will then take into you this page. What next you want to do is select Mortal Kombat, and then you want to go ahead and mark the terms and conditions. If you are sure about it, click on continue shopping and enter in your details and all that, or payment details, and purchase the Mortal Kombat 1 for PC. And after it's completely purchased, you could go ahead and run the exe file or download it to your PC, and you'll be able to enjoy your game. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.